Stop wasting time. We all do it. You ever wonder why you're not at where you want to be? I mean, we're not taking our time seriously. Every minute counts. That's why I'm going to take and make this minute, this Monday minute, the most valuable minute that you have today. So if you're looking to make 2019 your best year still, here are 6 time truths that you have to consider. First, you can't manage time. You can only manage those things that make up your time. Secondly, time is expensive. You've likely spent 80% of your previous days on things or people that have only made up 2% of your results. Time is a perishable commodity. You can't save time.
You can only spend it.
That's right. How about the fact that time is measurable? Everyone has the same amount of time allotted in the day. It's not how much time you have, it's how much time you use. How about the fact that time is irreplaceable? We never get back the time once it's gone. Finally, time is a priority. You have enough time for anything, so long as you rank it high enough amongst all your other priorities. And that's the truth. So if you're with me, it's time. It's time to make 2019 your best and most time-efficient year ever. In good health.